Gang, hello and welcome to another quick unboxing as promised of my new Wolfcom Capture. So this is a 720p streaming device that, as you can see, is pretty tiny. Allegedly you can upload straight to YouTube and Facebook Live, but I'll talk more about that shortly. So yeah, let's get straight into it and check it out. High def, 720p, Wi-Fi, micro SD, live Facebook and live YouTube. Okay, well, let's get it open. Yeah, it's better. That's an old gag. Ridiculous. Oh, it's not even taped. Here it is. Okay, so what's in the box? You get your camera. It's pretty small actually. Versatile little thingy-majiggy. You get a normal charging cable, which I've actually taken out. You get your capture user manual, which tells you how to do things, which is actually quite useless. And a little bit of paper saying what the password is for the Wi-Fi, which is 1 to 8. This is the important bit here, so just get that off of there. So as I said, 720p. It's as simple as you get. So you got your SD card on the side here. Supports up to 64 GB. You got your photo snap here. Your on-off button, Wi-Fi, microphone, and your stop-start button at the top here, and a mic there. And sorry, your reset button that's down the bottom here, and of course your USB charging access point there. This clip here, you can actually just slide that off, so you can have it like that, set it somewhere and do your bizzo. You can actually put the clip so the camera's on its side as well, and it opens up to about yay far. Alrighty, so let's put the clip where it belongs, and I shall hook it up to my Wi-Fi smartphone so you guys can see what's going on. Let's just stick that there, put that there like so. So once you've downloaded your Wolfcom app, cue the editing. App, open up Wolfcom. Make sure the device is turned on by long pressing the on-off button. You'll see the light go from red to blue. It'll beep a couple of times. So the device says Wolfcom, you hit the plus button, Wolfcom Capture, switch network, and it will find your Wolfcom device. So the first time you'll hit 1 to 8, but I've already done that, so it'll just log straight into Wolfcom. Once it's obtained the Wi-Fi address, hit the back button, it will show you it's connecting, and device connected, so click it again. So from here you can actually see, alright, we are now connected. It's not too bad latency there. So quickly from the app, you've got loop recording, which is just continuous recording until your SD card's full, then it will restart, record, snapshot, slow motion, or go live. Okay, you can tilt this on its side if you wish, like so. Take up the full screen. So bear in mind, this isn't live yet, so we're just connected to the phone via Wi-Fi. Okay, so we're not actually doing too much live at the moment, so have a quick look around there. Pretty cool. So this is the tricky bit. You've got your gear up here, which you can play with some settings, time shutdown, your video resolution you can change, recording intervals, you can format the SD card from here if you wish. So to go live, this is slightly tricky. What you need to do now is don't just click the go live, okay, first you must click the antenna here and go yes. Okay, so what's happening now is your phone and the device are both changing. Your phone's changing to mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, which enables you to have a mobile device on your phone so you can walk out of your Wi-Fi area to stream. Okay, so we're now connected via our hotspot, and I've got my 4G mobile. So if I click on here again, you'll see I'm now connected. So this is via the mobile hotspot and using the data on my phone now. Okay, so what you do next is hit the go live button and click on YouTube. Now this is the frustrating part. What's going to come up now is your YouTube account, which is what you want. Yeah, it is. However, if you're using your main channel as a brand account or branded account on YouTube, i.e. it's another channel down from your original Gmail Google account, you can't access your branded account to stream to. You can only access your main account, which in my case is called the same as SkyPilot, the same as my branded account, but this is my main YouTube account called SkyPilot, where I don't have any videos on, I don't follow, I don't do anything with it. It's just my main Google Plus account. So, and there's no way with the app at all, no way you can change this to link up to your branded account on YouTube, which is a pain, because it basically renders that useless for me, which is a bit of a bother. Okay, I do have another YouTube account which I'm using the main account for, so I can use it for that one. However, I really wanted to use this for my SkyPilot channel, but yeah, I can't because it doesn't access my branded account, so not to worry. So anyway, what I'll do from here, this one is set up for it, so you'd click on your actual name, put the title in, hello, description, skip that, we'll make it low, confirm. So what's going to come up now is I'm now streaming live to my other SkyPilot channel, SkyPilot live stream, and I'd love to say check it out on my live stream, but it's not there, as I've just explained. So that's a bit of a pain. However, it's yeah, the streaming works well. My only gripe is, and I'm not sure if it's a software or hardware issue, is they do an update, maybe a firmware update or something like that, which enables the Wolfcom to access your branded account on YouTube. Otherwise it's, yeah, she's completely useless. So anyway, I'll do a quick record here. While I've been dribbling on to, there's going to be some pictures on the screen so you guys can see what it looks like, how it performs in the real world. So hopefully you've enjoyed that. And that's pretty much yeah, as simple as it gets for the Wolfcom capture. I hope you've got something from this. If you're looking at purchasing this, long press. Battery lasts about 2 hours. If you're looking at purchasing this purely for live streaming, yeah, just make sure first. I haven't done Facebook live streaming. I've only done YouTube, so I'm not sure how Facebook acts. But if you're going to use this purely for YouTube, make sure it's going to be streamed to your main account, not one of your branded accounts. Otherwise, you can't do it. Okay, but the unit itself is, as you can see, it's pretty small. It's pretty handy. I will use this here and there. Might even stick on a drone. Video looks pretty good. Yeah, pretty light. It looks pretty sturdy, fairly well built. So I'll give it an 8 out of 10 anyway. It'd be a 10 out of 10 if I could stream it properly. But it's not a perfect mold, is it? So there you have it. Yeah, the Wolfcom capture. I hope you've got something for this, guys. I do know it's really hard to find information on the internet and YouTube about this, so I hope I've answered your questions. If anyone's got any more questions on this, I've researched and played and configured and messed around and tested this that much. I can pretty well answer all your questions, so drop me a line, I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks, guys. Hope all is well in your world, and have a great day. I'll catch you in the sky, or on a next Driving Live. See you next time. Bye for now.